Good morning. You're on the front page of the National News Network. What did you do? National News Network. There is no such thing. Oh. Which one is you? Which one? Where? Which one? The power plant thing? Wait. Power plant thing. Power plant thing. This one? Here? Is that you? Or am I in the wrong in the no? Where are you? No cat. No, there's no picture of you. But are you mentioned in the article? It's an AI. He's the power plant. Norwegian news. What's going on in Norway? And why are they showing the Swedish guy? You have spiders. Whoa, this is disgusting spider. I'm not gonna go to Norway. Yeah, he's the most famous Swede. Okay, so what's going on in the markets? We have a break-even open. Looks like Mara and Riot were gapping a lot pre-market. I sold a tiny bit of both of them. I bought some Run yesterday. I sold a tiny bit of Futu. They report tomorrow. I bought full size of IGV yesterday also, so now I have 10,000 shares. Looks like it's gapping up a little bit, but I'm gonna ditch this one once I started seeing more good stock setups, because it's a very slow mover. 2.3 in ADR. I'm probably gonna ditch it if I need buying power. I'm just gonna take it from this one. Net, I bought some, like half size. GBTC is going straight up. BLDP grinding higher. Celsius building higher lows on the 60-minute. TAN looks like it's gapping up. Coupa looks like it's gapping up. I bought some of this one yesterday. Was a sneaky breakout, but it's kind of starting to break out of this 4 or 5 month range. TQQ, I've been long for a few days. Square went straight up from where I bought it, looks good. And NIO gapping down on the earnings report. Yeah. I added a tiny bit pre-market, and I also lowered my stop to yesterday's highs. So if it takes out yesterday's highs, I'm out. That's it. BA, if this thing can hold up today, maybe they're gonna be a short setup tomorrow. This thing is up 60% in a couple of weeks, almost 60%. Palantir, if this thing can extend to low 20s, mid 20s would be nice. Tesla, I'm still watching on the 60-minute chart. DQ setting up nicely on the 60-minute and daily. Aries, a very thin solar IPO. LI and XBEV, I'm watching these two. In case NIO tanks, these things could tank too. Yeah, there's a bunch of like long setups I'm watching. Nothing I'm super excited about, but I'm just stalking them. Peloton tight candles. Yeah, I don't see a setup here though. David, it's not true. I'm not watching your page on Facebook every day. That's fake news. That's not true. I only watch it occasionally. Apps, is it gapping up? Yeah, I mean, apps is decent. I would prefer more sideways. Every other day, maybe once or twice per week. Come on, David. Hey, thanks Artnik189. It's very kind of you. Chris is emotional. Yeah, I got emotional. Futu, can I review my entry? Yes, I bought it right here. Like 30, low 32s, low mid 32s. Just as it started breaking out of this multi-month flag. It looked perfect. You have a big leg higher, then it had an orderly pullback to the 100-day, bounced, pulled back again, bounced again off the 100-day, built higher lows. And then it had a tight range here, and then it broke out. That's a 5-star chart for you guys, and now it's straight up. I sold about the third or so far. It's like a 40% move. GRWG, I took the entry here. Opening range highs on the earnings day. It had a breakout which failed, pulled back to undercut the 20, and then it reported earnings, and it kind of reclaimed the trend. IWM, small caps, yeah. All right. I'm gonna watch NIO. I think NIO, this thing, I don't know. I'm still short from a few sessions ago when I added tiny bit pre-market. I'm willing to add more. I think this thing could go down to sub 35 soon. But actually, I'm not gonna add more right now. I have a pretty decent position. I don't think I'm gonna trade it. Or maybe I am. HYLN. Yeah. I don't really see anything there. Were NIO earnings good or bad? I mean, they have big growth, but it's not about being good or bad. It's about this stock is up 2,000% this year. It's like the second or third highest market cap automaker, and they barely make any cars. That's the problem. It's not about good or bad. It's more about like expectations. So we'll see. Am I in a... No, guys, that's a picture from last year. I don't know why everyone is suddenly commenting on liking from a tweet from last year. What's up with that? Someone made a comment on it, and now everyone is starting to like it and comment on it. Oh, it's like... No, I didn't buy a castle. No, I didn't. I wish I did. Nah. I would never buy a castle. Toku looks ready. Yeah, Toku looks tight. Yep. Just needs the breakout. Twitter's algo. Now Twitter, if Twitter's algo is putting it on your timelines, it should go to 0. The hell is Twitter doing? Yeah, the heating is very expensive. Yeah. Etsy. No, it's not as good as Doku. It needs to get tighter here, I think. Okay, market opens up in 20 seconds. Good luck, everyone. You been to that castle? Oh shit, I forgot to check the... Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay, whatever. CSIQ is breaking out of a nice flag. Problem is they're gonna report... I think it's after hours or tomorrow pre-market. I don't know which. That's the problem. Wow, Chumi I sold the way back after bouncing off the 50-day. Interesting. NIO tanking here. I shorted some LI also. Just in case it goes. I also did some Tesla. Starting to, it pulled back yesterday, found some support on the rising moving averages, and now it's kind of a sneaky entry. But now this 430 area is now acting as a support again after acting as a resistance for the past month. We'll see. Oh, NIO found support on the rising 10 again. Okay, interesting. Rising 10-day has been acting as a support. LI and XBEV are shaping up too. This ARRI looks great, it's just too thin. Just very, very thin. Oh, Tesla is going. Nice. Apps looks decent. Actually, Apps looks really good. I know someone mentioned it pre-market. And now you stopped me out of my ad, but now it looks like it's fading again. Looks like the airlines, the cruise lines are going today. And many of these reopening things like Lyft. No, Square is not looking great now. Hopefully can find support here soon. That's the tricky thing. It's not a great all-out market here right now. Oh, XBEV is taking out lows of the day. I added back some more to my NIO position. With a tight stop. Yes, I sold some Riot pre-market, like I said before. Some of the leading stocks like Shopify and Netflix, I'm a little bit worried about these. They look like they want to break down and go lower. Upwork parabolic short? No, this thing is not parabolic. It's up 13% in 3 sessions. Not what I would call parabolic. A lot of things look like they want to fade. Not really a great sign here. Let's see if the Qs can hold the 10-day today. If not, I'm probably gonna sell down a bunch of stuff. So RCL is looking interesting for later this week. Interesting little flag developing here. I sold my net. I bought half size yesterday. Apps. Yeah, my ARI, I bought some in Interactive Brokers, a tiny position. This one looks like it's failing too. It's a piece of shit market, what can I say? Indices look great, but I just don't see any follow through on anything. Like we're literally like, Nasdaq is what, 4% from all-time highs? Kirk, yeah, Kirk is, yeah, it's a strong one. At least NIO is cooperating. Oh, let's see. Okay. Yeah. Can they stop coming out with these vaccines? Every time they come out with this vaccine news, it kills my portfolio. Bastards. Snapchat, if it looks ready to me. Snapchat looks good. I think it needs a few more days. It's building higher lows. I think it looks good, but not today, I don't think so. BGFV. Yeah, sure, looks like a good setup. Well, about what now would be a nice time for things to start bouncing. It would be great. ETM. I don't see a setup there a week ago. TCS, yeah, it's getting tighter and tighter. Netflix, I'm a bit worried about this one. Looks like it's starting to break down. Not my type of setup, really. But it is kind of weak. And Shopify too. You know, these are two of the high-priced liquid leaders. You really don't want to see something like that. On the other hand, we have stuff like Apple looking great, Microsoft looking great, Facebook looking great, Google looking great. So I don't know. This Apple looks juicy. Looks like it wants to go to 150 if it breaks out. Yeah, pen is strong. All right, let's see. Can we get some bounces here? Or not? Twilio tight? Nah, not really. Amazon? Yeah, Amazon is still getting rejected here at the 50 and the 100 day. If we can take out that, would be nice. If we can reclaim, would be nice. Palantir. Yeah, I hope this thing goes to 25 by tomorrow. That would be nice. Tesla is strong. Trying to take out highs for the day. Tesla is really strong. Okay, IGV is bouncing. Now we are starting to see some bounces in some of these things, including NIO, unfortunately. Can't this NIO go to 0 already? Oh yeah, Thanksgiving, yeah. Usually end of year is a good time. Santa rally and all of that. Like, you know, I mean, mostly there's just so many good looking bases out there. They just need to break out, like stuff like Doku. I mean, it just needs to break over this 215 and it's gonna go back to mid-high 200s. Koopa too, Okta. There's just so many of them. Exactly, we need a breakout and follow through. Documentary about Soros. Exactly, simple but not easy. Keep it simple, but it's not gonna be easy at all. By keeping it simple, it's hopefully gonna be less hard. LMND, what's LMND? Oh, Lemonade, yeah. Doyu? Well, Doyu is breaking down. These China ETFs, Yin, which is a triple China bull, and also FXI, these things are flagging nicely. Who cares what the news says? Guys, you're gonna make more money if you just tune off the news. Trust me on that one. Who cares? The news they can say anything. Follow the price action. You're gonna be more profitable that way. Nicola. It's just a pump, I guess. Sentiment? I don't care much about sentiment. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Trevor Milton is coming. What? He's coming back? Really? Fake news. Okay. Why is everyone liking a picture from 2019? Guys, stop liking my picture from 2019. There's no cat. It's a picture of a castle in Estonia where I traded back in August 2019. Some people thought I took it today, I guess, based on the comments. No, I'm not gonna give you the link to a picture from 2019. And now someone else liked it. Stop it! Stop liking it! You're distracting me from my trading. What's Tesla doing? Is Tesla going higher? Oh, I should have bought 15,000 shares instead of 10. Come on, Tesla. Go to 700. Now someone else liked it. Oh, come on, stop liking the... You fuckers. Oh, I hate you. I hate every single one of you. And David is your cheerleader. You love me? I don't love you back. You love me? Okay. Okay, guys, I love you. Just not right now. Because you guys are annoying me. It's a love-hate relationship, yeah. Alright, so we are getting bounces in a lot of things. Which is good. Solo, another EV stock. Man, these things are so thin, they never get on my scans, but maybe if it goes to 20, it gets a lot of volume. My setup on Tesla, like I said, it's a sneaky setup, but if you look at the 60-minute chart, okay, like it's been in this range, 400 to 450, right? Where the so now, so yesterday it gapped up, faded, found support on the rising 10 EMA. And today it's kind of like breaking out of this range. It's a sneaky setup. It's not obvious. And if it starts breaking this 462 area in a few days, I'm gonna add more. Square. Yeah. Run 2, BLDP, Koopa, all of them. Net is the only one that managed to stop me out. But I had a little bit too tight stop on it. I should have used yesterday's low, but it's fine. Whatever. It was a starter position. What I think about Pinterest? It's a very strong stock, but there's no setup here. It's just it probably needs a week or so to set up. I just don't see it. It had an insane setup here. Did we buy it? I don't remember. I think I bought it, didn't I? Or maybe I didn't. I think I bought like Twitter or something instead. That was the last time it had a good setup. Is long and calls the same? Nah, it's not really the same. Oh, well, it is. If you long calls, it's kind of like going long, but it's just more complex. But just a pro tip, just skip options. You don't need to do options. You're probably gonna get into trouble. Battery plays? I have a battery play. I have a Tesla. But yeah, it's a hot sector. WWR, yeah. Super thin though. PLL too. No, yeah, PLL and LAC. Yeah, graphite. I used to have a watch list with like 80, 70, 80 of these lithium and graphite and cobalt stocks. And then I was like, nah, it's a dead sector, so I removed the watch list. And now I have to rebuild it. Why is this XBEV so much weaker than NIO and LI? Wait, Futu, they report tomorrow. Yeah. I don't know if it's pre-market or after hours, but it doesn't matter. Okay, now so everything looks good again. Nice. We are absorbing the... Ari was close stopping me out, but it didn't. Okay. MP, that's Molycorp. Yeah. It's a piece of shit stock. Made a huge move back in 2011, I think, when it IPO'd first time. Molycorp. Yeah, Penn. Yeah, I mean it's a decent setup. Maybe not 5-star, but it's okay. It's been grinding. It's been building higher lows, and that's this range. And it's a big momentum stock, and it looks good. It looks okay. Carvana, more tightness. Yeah. I don't see anything there right now. Yeah, there's so many of these. Yeah, EVs, and most of them are just super liquid for me. Ari, because it got bought out and now it's a new company. What is AVR on ticker? Pick? AVR, you mean ADR? 1.4%. Oh, it's another one of these EV stocks. Yeah, there's so many of them. Jesus Christ. What if you exceed you're gonna get a margin call? Yeah, space is kind of coming back. Like the space has been building higher lows for like a year, or not a year, 8 months, 7 months, and it has a range here. Yeah, it looks interesting. It looks interesting. There is something brewing here. I don't know. It's not my type of setup, but if you can actually break out and build a flag, that's something I. Yeah, US EVs are going and China ones are pulling back. Yep. Except for this LI. Why is LI holding up? XPEV is fading and NIO is kinda weak too. Or actually right now it's building higher lows for now, but we'll see. NIO is building higher lows on the 5-minute chart. Off it undercut the 10. I mean, this thing just can't get below the 10-day moving average. It's amazing. Unbelievably strong stock. Probably gonna get stopped out of my ad again. Sun W. I don't think earnings is gonna matter on this one. It's gonna be a shit anyway, probably. It's a microcap stock. But yeah, you probably should sell. Lock in some profits. Damn, I missed this BA. I wanted one more update. Opening range lows was the short entry. And now it... Guys, do you see how it got rejected on the VWAP all the way? I don't know why VWAP works, but it works on these parabolic stocks. But I was hoping for one more day. One more day. Roku. Yeah, Roku is already... Oh, it already took out yesterday's lows. No, not yet. Yeah. Weak sauce. But it's still hanging in there. Or near the highs, that is. Wow, CSIQ looked great like 50 minutes ago and now it looks like shit. Okay, what is EMPH and SPWR doing? Nothing. Okay, I'm gonna cut the stream. I just don't see anything. Oh, apps is totally failing here. And like I said, I would have preferred a few more days of sideways so the 50 they can catch up. Yeah, it's a tricky market. You get the good setups, but they don't kind of follow through. Or some of them do, but many of them don't. Yeah, Melee, this one, yeah, if this thing breaks out in the next few days, I'm gonna bring a sledgehammer on this one. This thing breaks out, you know, you get, this is kind of stock you can risk like, I don't know, $40, and it can go up $400. Okay, guys, thanks for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow. And David, can you hear me? Hey, David. Fuck off.